In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a bonus. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Now, before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. Now, if you want to redeem a bonus, it can be any type of bonus. Redeem a bonus means claiming a bonus. So all you have to do is go over to orders here and you see there's an option that says promotions. And once you go over to promotions, there are many bonuses that you can redeem here. So you just have to choose which one you want. It can be a cashback bonus, it can be a deposit bonus, it can be a VIP bonus. There are many options there. Just give it a second for it to load. Just hold on. As you can see here are various bonuses or promotions. So click on them and choose any one that you want to redeem. Like for instance, if you want to redeem this one, you click on it and you see the instructions that are there and you just go ahead to read carefully, then follow the instructions. If you go over to 50% second deposit, there are many options. So just choose any of the bonuses that is here, read the instructions, and then go ahead and follow it. If you find it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Now just wait for it to load and you're going to see the terms and conditions for that particular bonus. Just give it a moment. In your case, it could load fast. So once it's loaded, you're going to see the terms and conditions for that particular bonus. As you can see, here the how to qualify for this bonus. So you read through all of this and see how you can qualify for that bonus. You go ahead and apply it.